all my dear students. First of all, I would like to introduce myself, Professor KG Bhua, Associate Professor in EC Engineering, Government Education Service, Class 1, Technical Education Department, Government of Gujarat, and having teaching experience of more than 27 years. I really enjoy teaching because teaching, learning, and writing Gujarati article is my hobby. First of all, I would like to thanks GTU for introducing IPDC subject in a curriculum. You can visit my website or you can see my recorded video lectures on my YouTube channel KG Bhuva DGGEC Surat www.youtube.com, or you can use this link for viewing my video lectures. Uh, I also say something related to me, that is my hobby is to write Gujarati articles. You can think that why I put this PPT about my hobby in this subject. So I want to clarify that some of my Gujarati articles are part of this subject and useful for your life also. Particularly article number 1, સ્વયં માટેનો ઉત્તમ સમય વહેલી પરોઢના વાયરાઓના મારા અનુભવ, means it is the time for the self, best time for self. I have explained so many things in Gujarati related to this, means we must spare some time for ourselves. And second article is માતા અને શિક્ષકની ભૂમિકા, means role of mother and teacher in a development of human being. So that is why I want to inform you about my Gujarati articles, and if you are able to understand in Gujarati, then I can send to you full article for your reference. Now, before going to the objective of this subject as per GTU curriculum, I want to explain the objective of this subject as per my view. From the teaching experience of last 27 years, I noticed that youth is not useless, but it is they are used less. Again speaking, youth of India is not useless, but they are used less. And it is the job of mother and teacher to build not only knowledge but also character of the youth. And yes, teacher and mother only can do this because all human beings have to remain most of the time in childhood with mother, and then after with mother and family and teacher. So they have to spare most of the time for mother and teacher. That is why these two personality can do this. And yes, as a teacher, I always try to do this from last 27 years, even though I cannot get full success, but I am trying and trying and trying and will try and try. Another thing I want to say, that I don't teach but explain, because teaching is different thing and explanation is different thing. Even though I teach, that upon you how to learn. So that is why I always explain, and you only can prove that either I have teach you anything for you or not, but I can say that the mother can teach you the lesson of life. And also we teacher community try to teach you something that will be useful for life, in particularly in this subject. And always think positive. There is a lots of effects of positive thinking, and for that I will suggest one book for reading, that is from Tezgyan Foundation TGF, The Power of Happy Thoughts. And for career point of view, you I recommend to watch a movie, The Secret. It is available nowadays in different languages also, so you can watch in your language to understand better the perspective or view of that movie. And then, as per my view, ethics, attitudes, and values cannot be taught. These all things are explained, can be explained, but we cannot taught to human being, because these are all the inherent characteristic of human being, that is by born and by nature. But you can develop it. Yes, definitely you can develop you in your side, inside you. Then I want to say the important part of for the development of any country is integrity or honesty plays an important role for development of any country. And you can, if you can, here the meaning of both can are different. You can means you can do it. अगर आप चाहो तो कर सकते हो. मीनिंग ऑफ वन कैन इज इच्छा है. अगर आप चाहो then you can do. You can means you can do. So let us hope that all of us can and try to do this in the benefit of our country, and let us make our country incredible. And before again going to objective of this subject, I want to share one example about the integrity and honesty, the result of integrity and honesty. As all of you know that during or after the World War III, uh, the situation or position of Japan was very bad. They was country was totally destroyed. At that time, the people or public, some leader goes to develop the country and discuss with economists from developed country that guide us what we can do to develop again our country. You guide us what we can do. We are ready to do anything to develop our country again. And at that time, the economist from the developed country say that give us 1 month time for survey. And during the survey, that team has done nothing but put golden coins, put golden coins in every public place. सभी पब्लिक प्लेस पे सोने के सिक्के रख दिए. एंड आफ्टर 1 month they went to collect recollect this गोल्डन कॉइन्स. 1 महीने के बाद वो लोग वापस वो सोने के सिक्के लेने गए. यू विल बी सरप्राइज दैट देयर विल बी नॉट मिसिंग ऑफ एनी गोल्डन कॉइन. All golden coin was there in its place. So this type of integrity required, and at that time the economist says that by seeing the integrity of your country and dedication toward the work, your country will become a developed country. And we can see that nowadays the what is the situation position of the Japan among the world. So this type of integrity and honesty can make our country a developed country. और another thing I want to say that अगर युवाओं को सही दिशा बताई जाए तो हम उसकी दशा बदल सकते हैं, और ये रोल है टीचर का और प्राध्यापकों का. So I hope that by integrity and honesty and dedication toward the work, youth, yes, you all people can make India again incredible India, and भारत को हम वैश्विक सत्ता बनाने में देर नहीं लग सकती. So all this depends you. And another thing I want to say that सबसे ज्यादा यूथ इंडिया में है, तो इंडिया के यूथ अगर चाहे तो इंडिया को सुपर पावर बना सकते हैं. एंड आई होप दैट we will try to show you proper direction, and you can be a part of incredible India. So now let us start about the objective of the subject as per GTU curriculum. So this is the value-based holistic personality development course. So after studying this subject, you can develop your personality, but this must be at value-based and holistic. So I will explain later on what is the difference between value and price. So here, value-based holistic personality development is the purpose of or objective of this subject. And we all must know the purpose in life. Student must be able to understand and know what is the purpose in life. And third one is get a positive thought pattern. As I already say, in my view, as per my view, there is a huge effect of positive thinking. So I will suggest you books related to positive thinking. One I already have given the name, The Power of Happy Thoughts, and some useful link I will share with you, or you can find out from YouTube about the effect of positive thinking. So another objective is student must get a positive thought patterns, and then gain confidence. How to gain confidence? Because confidence plays an important role in a development of human being. And the next one is improve behavior with self and other. So I have included behavior with self also as per GTU curriculum, only improve behavior with others. But as per my view, so first we have to improve behavior with self and then others, because behavior with self is very important. Sometimes we are also not behaving properly with ourselves also. So improve behavior with self and others. And then communication skill plays a very important role in our development. So learn better communications skill is also the objective of this subject. And development of physical and mental health with morality and ethics in its core. So understand each word. So most of the peoples are doing development physically and mentally, but here important part is with ethics plays an important role for development of our country. Then provide solution to the current challenges through creative and interactive. That is very much important part, and I like the most, because most of the students becomes bored by learning technical subjects and all the things. So here the solution to the current challenges through creative and interactive activities. Here I am not talking about the challenges for your syllabus or different technical subjects. So here I am talking about the challenges about in a life you have to face in a life, actual challenges. Okay, as for example, I can say that lack the guidance to face insecurity about health and career. So here lack of guidance and how to face insecurity in both cases about the health and career, particularly in current scenario of corona 19. Okay, most of our experiencing the insecurity when going outside the home about the health. And another thing, as a student point of view, after studying in which field I can make a career, so completely they most of the time they are facing the insecurity related to career point of view. And another point of view is premature relationship and family background. This is very very much important because relationship with other human beings plays an important role. Most of we have relationship in our relative and family members, okay, depending upon our family background. But the relationship with other people's play an important role because sometimes we can do anything with the help of our relations. And as per my from my example, I also keep the relationship with different families at different places, and uh, different friends from school level to the college level. I'm in contact with my friends of primary school, high school, higher secondary school, and college time friends are in contact with me, and because I remain in contact with all my friends and other families to develop relationships. So this is the because there is not maturity to develop the relationship and family background. So that is why we are facing some challenges due to the premature relationship and family breakdown. Then addiction and substance abuse. So addiction is very bad thing. So addiction related activity, how to reduce our addiction, bad addictions. So how to reduce, we must have some activities related to this. Then negative impact of internet and social media. Yes, all of you are facing this problem nowadays. Okay, because the purpose of internet and social media was holistic purpose. Okay, there are positive and negative effect of this internet and social media, but more than 90 percentage of people are you take the advantage, not taking the advantage of this. And that is why the negative impact of internet and social media is there. So we will discuss what are the positive things of these social media and internet, how we can take the advantages of internet and social media, and what are the negative impact. So due to this type of different points, there are challenges in our life for creative and and we will learn all these things through creative and interactive activities. Not this will not be the one way communication. Today's first lecture is only one way communication, because I want to give the objective and introduction of this subject, integrated personality development course. And next lecture onward, this all activities, this teaching will be on activity based. So through creative and interactive activities. And then purpose of this subject is prepare students to enjoy, understand, and practice invaluable lessons for a bright future and successful life. So you must not be bored like other subject. So you must really enjoy, and by enjoying you can understand and practice invaluable lessons that will be useful for, that will make your future bright and make a person with successful life, for happy and healthy life. So this is also objective. Then I want to explain the difference between wants and needs. So for happy and healthy life, for happy and healthy life, this plays an important role. So if you think about the difference, you can see that wants are unlimited. Wants are never satisfied, but needs are important. Needs we can satisfy. So for happy and healthy life, you must know and understand clearly the difference is between our wants and needs. Another wants I want to explain is the difference between price and value. So price are fixed, and any object with price we can purchase, but value we cannot purchase, and that is not fixed. We have to create ourselves our value. So that is the difference between price and value. Now, as per GTU curriculums, they have defined committee and team has works lots of hard work for preparing different modules and different videos to make all the sessions interactive and you can enjoy. So I am thankful to all team members who has done excellent hard work for developing different modules. Okay, so first point of this courses or first module is facing failures. So most of people work how to become a successful person, but here first time we will discuss by interactive sessions how to face failures and factors affecting the failure, and we will understand that failures are not always bad. Sometime as per the Bhagavad Gita, if I say one example that विषाद योग, विषाद में से ही कोई न कोई रास्ता निकलता है और प्रगति होती है. So भगवत गीता is nothing but उसका जन्म हुआ है अर्जुन के विषाद में से. जब अर्जुन ने देखा कि सामने सब रिलेटिव है तो मैं, और दुख हुआ कि उसको मैं मार के उसके सामने युद्ध करके उसको मार के मुझे क्या मिलेगा, उसको बहुत दुख होता था युद्ध करने में. तब उसमें से भगवत गीता का क्रिएशन हुआ. सो फेलियर्स आर नॉट ऑलवेज बैड, समटाइम्स फेलियर मे बी गुड और हेल्पफुल टू अस. एंड इनसिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ फेलियर्स, पावर ऑफ फेथ, विश्वास की शक्ति को पहचानना चाहिए. सो विश्वास क्या है, फेथ क्या है, उसका पावर क्या है, एंड उसकी प्रैक्टिसिंग इन faith. These all important factors. You can read different reference books if your time permits you, but as per GTU curriculum, they have given in the reference in the syllabus. That is why I put here for your reference. Next point is learning from legend. Yes, हमारे लाइफ में कोई ना कोई आइडियल होने चाहिए कि मैं यस इसके जैसा बनना चाहता हूँ, and learn lots of things from their life. Here, as per GTU curriculum, they have given only two examples, Sachin Tendulkar and Ratan Tata. Okay, both are leading without leading. We will understand the meaning of this from the different audio and video links related to these two personalities, and you can refer reference books for these two personalities. Chase Your Dreams by my biography, autobiography, Sachin Tendulkar. I'm not reading all the names of books, but this is for your reference. Then mass management or project management. Some nowadays the unity for a more peoples is not possible. That is the weak point as per my purview. So in any project, if you want to implement any project, so this is not the task of individual. So for how to manage large project, so that we will learn by interactive activity, project management as a mass. Then my India, my pride. Nowadays, sorry to say, but we all are having the proud of other country and people from other country, even though we don't know our country, our history. Okay, so we must have proud of our country. So we must know glorious parts of our country, present scenario, and ideal citizen 1, ideal citizen 2, and ideal citizen C are the different actions and activity in this. But we must know our history, our past, and our education system was excellent in past, and nowadays complete scenario change. And happy to inform you that now the current scenario change, and we are going to again our ancient technologies related to teaching methodology. And also you know that the whole world is now going toward the yoga, that is the our thing or pride of our country. Then remaking yourself means reconstructing yourself. There is a inherent strength or power inbuilt given by the God, but we have to understand how we can reconstruct ourselves. Then power of habits plays a very important role. Maybe some bad habit and good habit. And through this session, we will discuss during this session how we can convert our bad habits into a good habits, or how we can develop good habits in our daily life and being addiction free life. So maybe some people or some student have addiction, suppose use of Facebook and or any social media, Facebook, WhatsApp, and internet is one type of addiction. Means larger use than requirement is one type of addiction. Also addiction of tobacco and any other things. So being addiction free, how we can be addiction free is the purpose of this module. Begin with the end in mind. Begin with the end in mind. So जहां से हम सोचना शुरू कर सकते हैं वहां से सोचना शुरू करो. Okay, so that is the begin in the with the end in mind. And handling the devil social media, so that is the I already discussed. So social media is devil, and how we can handle this in a positive manner and learn lots of things from social media and internet. So these are the different reference books by different authors. Next one is the financial wisdom. So in that you have to learn lots of things related to basics of financial planning process. And you can relate my previous topic, that is you must know the difference between wants and needs for financial management also, because our wants are unlimited, and if you want to purchase as per our want, then there will be very bad effects on our personal financial management also. So starting from yourself, personal first, decide your management, personal financial management, and then at large level we must be able to learn and implement actual financial management at a large level. So these are the different reference books for financial wisdom. Then from house to home, so effectiveness, relationship, forgive and forgot, listening and understanding, bonding with family. Nowadays, you can see that the concept of joint families vanish in our country also by following the Western um, cultures. So bonding with family is also important. So I will give some example. I will give example of my family also, because I am also living in a joint family. That is why I can give you my example about the bonding with family and advantages, and what are the advantages of joint family. Then forgive and forget. So we always forgive bad things and try to forget. Otherwise, that negative thoughts and negative things will disturb us. And listening and understanding, most of time we speak with others, but we have to learn in a life how to listen others and understand from other. That characteristic must be developed. And these all are how to develop and maintain relationship with other. These all things will make us how to switch from house to home. And these are the different reference books as per suggested by GTU curriculum. And then in next module, soft skill development, different activities related to teamwork and harmony, networking, decision making, and leadership. All are the different characteristic related to soft skill development. How to work in teamwork with harmony. Sometimes we are working in a team forcefully, there is no harmony. So teamwork with harmony is important, and how to develop a network and how to work in a networking, how to work and how to take work from others, how to decision making is also important thing, because proper decision must be taken at proper time, because chances are not available for every time. And how to develop a leadership quality in yourself. These are the different points in this module of soft skills. So these 8 modules are the main module, and what I already said that this is the first lecture in which you have to listen only, and I am delivering different topics and explaining. So this is one way communication. Now onwards, we have interactive sessions and two-way communication, and most of the part from your side. So student voice more than one time, and words from Vim. Vim means what? A guy who is extremely confident and outgoing around the people. Due to the lack of confidence, sometimes we cannot speak around other peoples. So that you have to speak in front of audience. Currently, due to the lockdown, and we cannot gathering in the classroom, but this is the purpose actually, when we gather at the classroom, and you have to deliver and say some words in front of audience to develop the confidence. Okay, then work from your side, how we will assess. We will give some assignment, and you have to submit it weekly. Then search and watch video related to this subject in a YouTube. I will share some YouTube links useful, but a similar link you can find out from a YouTube. And you have to give the presentation of activity done during the term in every month. So that is the planning as per my view. We will see, because exact guideline from the GTU is not received our side. So if is there any other guideline, then we must follow the guideline from the GTU. These are the some useful video links available, particularly useful for this subject. I want to say one thing: don't relate any video, anything with religion, because we all Indians, all people from all religions, all caste are first Indian. So don't take negatively any video, because the purpose of all religion is the same. So my humble request: don't really relate this subject related video with religion, and watch them and try to understand the purpose and meaning of that thought of the video. So these are the all important links. So thank you very much for attending and hearing me silently without any disturbance. Now next lecture onward, you will we will meet with interactive session, and your participant for your side, means student side. I again wish you all the best for being a part of incredible India. Jai Bharat, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan, Vande Matram. Wish you all the best.